So in this problem, we can see there are variables, x squared, and some of them are x squared, x squared, x squared. Some of them have x and x. And the operations between them are additions and subtractions. So this is a addition and subtraction of variables. And we need to remember, in order to add or subtract variables, we have to make sure they are like terms, which means they look alike. And when we say look alike, they must have the matching variable and also the exponent. So for example, x squared, x squared, x squared, they look alike. And the other two, and notice but these two, they both have x's. So we're going to combine all the x squared terms and all the x terms. Now, when we combine like terms, we only add the numbers in front of them. So we count how many, we look at how many x squares we have. So we have 5 of them here, 3 of them here, together gives us 8, and then take away 1 of them. So notice there's nothing here, not a number in front of x squared. That means 1 copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 5 and 3 and minus 1. And similarly for these two terms with x's, so we take the numbers in front of them, -7 plus 5. So as you can see, we are going to get 8 minus 1 is 7, x squared. -7 plus 5, that gives us -2. And you can think of there's a little plus sign here in front of -7, because -7 is equivalent to plus -7. So if you want, you can add a little 7, and you are adding -7 and 5, those numbers in front of x. And when we get here, we cannot go any further because x squared does not match x. They're not like terms. It's just like x squared represents something, like maybe apples, but x represents oranges. So we cannot subtract 2 oranges from 7 apples. So when we don't have matching variables, they are not like terms, and we cannot add or subtract them.